In this open content policy and claim demo, I will show how claim adjusters can quickly upload and file content. Many times, documents may be ingested automatically into a claim system from external jobs, platforms, or locations, but providing users with an easy way to upload multiple documents of various file types is essential to make a claim solution successful. So as you can see, I'm in the Open Content Management Suite search screen, and I'm going to select claim, and I'm going to type in the claimant name, and I know that it starts with G-I-O-R, so I'm going to hit enter, and here I have two claims for the policyholder, David Giordano. I'm going to select this first one, and here I'm brought into the folder view of the claims. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see all the existing documents. And in this scenario, I know that I had someone send me files that needed to be uploaded. So I have them right here, and I'm going to select a PDF, a Word doc, an image that they sent, Outlook email that they sent that contains attachments, and I'm also going to include this power of attorney PDF. So I'm just going to click Add Documents, and I'm going to drag these over. And here you can see they're all listed, so if I accidentally added one that wasn't supposed to be there, I could click the X and remove it. I click Next, and now we're in the bulk upload properties screen. So at this point, I can select the type of object it is. Here we know it's a claim document. And anything that I put here will actually be applied to all the documents in this batch. So if I wanted to tag them all with the same tag, I could just select that here or give them all a consistent title or department name. But for now, I'm just going to leave those as is, and I'm going to click Next. And now I'm in our heads-up indexing screen. So essentially on the right-hand side, you can see the document, and on the left you can see all the properties that are associated with it. So here we're seeing an authorization release form. So I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to tag that as a medical for now. So right here I'm going to select medical, and then I'm going to click Next because that was the only required field. And now I'm on the image that was uploaded, and so here you can see it's a picture of a damaged car. So I'm just going to click Damages Auto. Click Next. So this is the email that was attached. So here you can see that we've actually taken the text that was in that email, and it is going to be pulled out as a document, as well as the attached documents that were actually on there. So for the tag, I'm going to put that in as correspondence, and that's for the email. And just to show an example of how the indexer can be used to save time, if I click on a field like department name and then select the text in the email, it will actually automatically populate the field. And this allows someone who's going through a lot of this indexing to do it very, very quickly. Next, we see this power of attorney form. So for this, I'm just going to tag that as a form for now. Click Next. And lastly, you can see this AUDI estimate. So for that, I'm going to again use our heads-up indexing, and I'm going to highlight the name of the company and have that automatically fill in. And here, that's an estimate, so I'm going to select Estimate. And the last document is the loss report that was an attachment. So for here, I am going to just put that again into the correspondence directory. I'm going to click Finish and Upload. And so now the documents are added into the system. And if I go back and view all documents, you're going to see that all the documents are in there. And just so you can see how emails work, if I click on this email, you can see, here, I'll just close this so you get a little bit larger view. You're going to see the email on the right-hand side, and then you're going to see the attachment that was with it over here as a related object. And if I wanted to see those side by side, I could do that. And so here I see that this is the email, and here is the estimate that came with it, the loss report that came with it. Then, if I want to close that, Go back to a single pane view. Then you can also see that when you uploaded them and tagged them, each one of the documents was automatically filed into these folders. So you don't have to move those after the fact. So you can, for instance, see the authorization release form. And also just to note that this is a Word document, but then when we uploaded it, we automatically generated a PDF rendition that's actually stored in the system. So if we were to download this, we could still download the original Word document, but it is stored with a PDF rendition so that you can actually use things like annotations. To learn more about Open Content Policy and Claim, check out tsgrp.com.